What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the hair that I'm wearing. This is a wig that I got from White Label Hair. I found out about them on Instagram through a model that I follow. Her name is Megan Milan. I will tag her down here somewhere or put her name in the description so you guys can give her a follow. She's absolutely stunning. But anyways, so this hair is something I saw her wearing, so I was like, ooh, that's cute. Let me get up on there and get it because it was my birthday coming up. My birthday it's Sunday today. My birthday is the following Saturday. So I've got a few days. I'm very excited getting myself all together for that. So I wanted to splurge a little bit and get a new wig for my birthday. So this is what we've got. So this is the Premium Brazilian Body Wave in 22 inches, 180 density. The body wave I just flat ironed straight, and then I put these wand curls in, which you'll see I did add a little tutorial in of how I got these curls. Somebody asked in one of my last videos if I could show them how I wand curl my hair. When I wear a middle part, I love to do wand curls. I use this NuMe curling wand. I'm not sure what the inch of this is. It's probably like 1 1/4 maybe? I have no idea, but I think so. That's what I like to use. It just gives those really cute, like beachy, Kardashian-esque waves that I love with a middle part. So, okay, so basically, the timing, it's a good thing I ordered it like within enough time that if it didn't get here on time, I still had a little wiggle room for having my hair done. I wanted to make sure that I ordered it in time because on their website, it said that their shipping might take like 3 to 4 weeks. And I think I ordered it within like the 3.5 week range. So I ordered it on September 18th and I got it on October 4th. So it was 12 days, 12 business days exactly, which wasn't bad at all. The cost of it, this was a splurge for me because you know I'm poor, but it cost $475 and then with shipping it was $485. So it was $10 for shipping, which wasn't bad. So it was pretty easy peasy on that. I really like the color. It's just the natural 1B. It took the curl really well. It did come pre-plucked, but as you'll see in the video, I do some customizing of it on my own. And it fit perfectly like from ear to ear. I sometimes have the issue where it doesn't come down far enough or it doesn't come forward far enough here on the way that my head is shaped, and then the wigs just don't fit, and that's the struggle of life. But this one fits me like perfectly. I'm a medium cap size, so I'm about a 22.5 inch cranium. And yes, she is gorge. She is soft. I'm sure she's gonna curl right back up perfectly. I'm probably gonna wet her at some point this week and just wear her natural for my birthday, but I'm so excited, you guys. I'm turning 30. Ah! I can't even believe it. I'm old. My youth is gone. But it's gonna be all right. 30s, I feel like my 30s are gonna be like the best time of my life. I feel like I'm in the best shape of my life. I'm getting really good at doing my makeup and my hair, so that helps. And things are just good. I'm loving my life right now, so I'm very grateful. But very excited. So without further ado, let me just shut up and get right into the video so you guys can see how I installed it and how I achieved these waves. What's up guys? So it's about to be my birthday. I am turning 30 on October 12th. So I decided to go a little all out and do something a little special for myself and spoil myself for my birthday, and I decided to order a wig from White Label Hair. So I've been looking at them online for a while and figured, you know, it's my birthday, I want to do something special, so let's just give it a try. I heard about this company through a girl on Instagram. I think her name is Megan Milan. I'm going to tag her somewhere here so you can see her handle and go check her out, give her a follow. But I loved the way the hair looked on her, so I wanted to check it out. I did already open this box yesterday when I got it in the mail because I was too excited, but I wanted to just do a quick unboxing real quick before I head out and rush off to meet my trainer at the gym. I found this company on Instagram, like I said, through the Megan Milan chick, and I wanted to try it. This is probably the most expensive wig that I've ever purchased. But you know what? It's my birthday, so we had to. So it just comes in the bag inside this netting. I believe I ordered this in 22 inches, natural black. I'll have all the information down at the bottom, but this is what she looks like, straight out of the bag. Doesn't smell weird, just smells, you know, like hair that came out of a bag. No like weird scent or anything, nothing perfumed either. A couple wigs that I have ordered in the past from other companies have had a smell, but this one does not. As for the inside, I'll flip her around. We've got the white label hair emblem right there. WL. She's got combs, let's see, 2 combs in the front near the temples. And then 1 comb at the nape. Again, this is a full lace wig. And then of course the adjustable straps. I might add an elastic band. Still not sure yet, but we'll see. The lace, I think the lace is just a medium brown lace. Either way, it looks like it's gonna work with my skin tone. I am going to bleach the knots because I don't think the knots here are bleached. Nope. Hopefully you can see that. But I'm going to bleach the knots and start to customize her, so I'll see you soon. So I just wanted to throw her on real quick. I have my hair in a high bun because I'm on my way to the gym, so don't make fun of me, but this, yeah, 22 inches, which comes down to about here on me. I am 5'8", so yeah, right there. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do my usual side part or if I'll try out like a middle part. I don't know, I feel like because of the shape of my head, middle parts just make me look silly because it like my head is really lemony, you know? It comes up like this. So things sit kind of funny on the top of my head, but we'll see. I'm hopefully gonna do a good job of braiding my hair or find somebody who can braid my hair to put underneath this wig before I actually put it on. Today is Saturday, the week before my birthday. So my birthday is a week from today. So I've got some time to customize her and get her ready. But let's get started on customizing. I'm going to head to the gym, come back and bleach these knots, and then I'll see you soon. Okay guys, so I wasn't gonna put this wig on right away. I was gonna like wait a few days, but I'm too excited, so I'm just gonna flip and do it, and hopefully it goes well. So I'm just going to, I'm not gonna show you guys everything because I'm doing this to get this wig ready for my birthday, and I just can't have the pressure of the camera stressing me out. So I'll show you as much as I can, but I'm going to basically just be plucking out this portion mostly with my fingers. Just because it doesn't need a lot on the sides for me. I will take it off and pluck a little bit, but not a whole bunch because I do not have the time. So right now I'm just molding it, kind of seeing where my natural hairline is right on the front. I've already kind of positioned it where it'll sit. And as you can see, just like on me, it sits a little too far forward, like, I don't know, I always think my head looks funny, like right here, when the hair comes too far down on me. My natural hairline sits farther back, so that's what I'm gonna get into here. So I'm actually gonna pull it back, straight back, so I can see better. And a lot of this I just do with my fingers, honestly, because I'm lazy, and I do not want to waste so much time. You gotta make sure you position it just right so you don't F it up, you know? I'm not like a master at this by any means, but this is just what works for me. So I'm gonna start by just kind of carving out the space where I can see through it, and I see that my forehead is like naturally back here, so it's a bit farther back than where the natural hairline of the wig is. And I'm not a fan of baby hair really on me, so I don't need, most of this is like what the baby hairs of the wig would be. So I'm just gonna part those away, starting with like a small section And now I'm just gonna take very small sections, and even that one could be too big, like breaking it in half, twisting it, and yanking it out. Be delicate when you do this. I've done this a bunch of times, so I kind of have it down, but like if this is your first time plucking or trying anything like this, please be careful. You don't want to rip your lace. So far, this one's doing okay with how I'm plucking it out. The lace doesn't seem to be ripping from what I can tell. So that's good. So I'm just going to finish that up and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so really quickly, I just wanted to show you how she's looking so far from my plucking. I think she's looking actually so good. So that's just what I've customized at. I'm not sure still if I'm gonna do the middle part or side part, but ooh, she looks good. Okay, so I did something a little bit different. I'm not gonna show you guys, like I said, I'm not gonna show you guys how I do everything. If you guys want another more detailed video of how I install my wigs, I can definitely do that, but right now I need to get like this going so I don't F it up, you know? So, but the only thing I'm doing differently than to what I would normally do is cutting the two bits of the lace in the front so I can pull down one bit at a time so that I'm really taking my time and putting it on. And then I also have some of the bold hold tape, one on each side and then one here kind of to anchor the weight of the wig, since it is, I think it's like, I don't know the exact density, but it's 22 inches. I'll put the density and stuff down below, but this is what it's looking like. So now that my glue, I still have this bit here that needs to clear up a bit, as well as here. But once that's ready, I'm going to pop her on, tie her down, and then the next time, wow, the next time you see me, she'll be secure. Okay, so my camera battery died, of course, when we got to the good stuff, but this is what she's now looking like after I customized her, glued her down, used the Bold Hold Active and some of the Bold Hold tape. And she looks good. So I'm basically just gonna wrap her up, go to bed, and tomorrow hopefully she still looks good. So next time you see me, I'll probably have some makeup on, look better, but that's what she looks like. White label hair, 22 inches, 180 density. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video. And comment down below, let me know what wig companies you guys want me to check out. I know this one was was a little bit on the more expensive side, but I'm always down to try any cheaper ones, like up and coming brands. So, and if there are any companies out there that want to reach out and have me review something, definitely let me know. I would love to do that. I'm obsessed with this hair. I'm about to slay on my birthday, so stay tuned. I'm gonna have a video coming as well on my get ready with me for my birthday. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.